In this video, I'll show you how to fix add friend not showing on Facebook. It's a very simple trick. Here's a few ways to fix it and a few reasons. The first reason is, and I gotta start with it, is someone blocked you. If someone blocked you, you won't be able to add them as a friend, or if someone rejected your friend request. By the way, while we're at it and I show you the other methods, make sure you give this video a like. The second method is that your friend clicked on the settings option and then clicked on privacy settings and went on this option, who can send you friend requests, and he has the friends of friends option switched on. So only friends of friends can send him friend requests. If you don't know this person, you can send him the friend request. The other way, or the other option, or the other reason why you can't send someone a friend request, or you can't add them as a friend, you don't have the add friend showing option, is that they're a public figure. For example, let's type in Mark Cuban, right? He's a public figure. You just have the follow option. You don't have add friend option. If this video helped you out, you already know what to do. Like it. See you next video. Bye.